So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Long time no see my beautiful face. So I'm just gonna be unboxing some of the items that I got from my sweet sisters. Back to school items and all that, and I'll just be unboxing them for you guys, okay? So 1 second. So I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So just a few of the items. I've actually opened some of them. Like today is school, so I've removed some. So this is a pack of singlets. I think it came from inside of this pack of singlets for 5 to 6 years. So it's 5 pieces, and then I got this beautiful. I think my auntie gifted me this beautiful shoe. This for Lyra. The things are so scattered. And this as well. This is for why this is for Elira. This is for Igimi. It's a little bit big, but she's definitely gonna grow into it. So then they got matchy outfits. This is for Elira. It's a skirt and a top. While this is for Igimi. I don't know where the tops. They got beautiful purses. Where is the second person's one? The things are so scattered. The kids have been all up in this place. Pack of socks. So I got some pants. My sister got some pants for me. Some pennies. And these are pants for the kids. The things are all over the place. Like, okay, these socks are for Elira and this pack of socks for Igimi. Like, it was so thoughtful because back to school items that I got, I didn't really get, so much of this. So thank you, Mommy Soli. I really appreciate it, okay? I got this from my sister. Thank you. You already know. So a backstory on this. I've been meaning to get this, and I even had like screenshots of, when you see something and you screenshot it and all that, but money never did to buy them. So, and I was told I was getting a perfume, and guess what? It was this. Ha! I was so happy. Okay, this is Igimi's shoe, right? Yes. This is for Elira. This is for Igimi. You guys know what this is, right? Hair scratcher. You need to scratch your hair even while washing. It's very nice. More pants for the kids. This is a beautiful sundress for Eliora. Do I feel it's too big, but she will definitely grow into it. Pack of hair ribbons, nails. Like I got a lot of things. I got so many things. So these are the tops for those skirts I showed earlier. Those are the tops. Singlets. Oh, singlet. So apart from this, I think we also got more pants. More pants. I wasn't left out. I got a beautiful top. And what else? What else? Hair ribbons. A small purse. Okay. Guys, I got a lot of stuff. Like, sisters are blessing. Thank you, Mama Suli. Thank you, Awi. Thank you, Kini. Thank you, Uncle Nansu. I love you guys. Thank you, Miss Sam. Thank you, Uncle Bobo. Thank you, lovely. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate every little thing. Thank you, Mama Suli. Mama Susuli. So the kids also got some stuff as well. Oh. The girls got puzzles as well. But trust kids, they've thrown away majority of them. I think this is for Eliora. And this is for Guinea. So they got puzzles, they got books. We also got lots. Sorry, I hope you guys can see me. We also got lots and lots of chocolates as well. We've almost finished this. This is like half of the chocolates. We gave out some, and the kids have almost finished it. So we got a lot of stuff. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and that is it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, although it was very chaotic. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. How old are you now? How old are you?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well,